So, what are the best Christmas countdown ideas coming to you next? So, the first idea is make sure you get the Christmas Bible reading and activity freebie. It's 25 days of scripture and activity ideas that you can do with young children. I'll make sure I link it below. And the next one is Jesus is the reason for the season jar. So you're just going to get a jar, and inside you're going to fill it with little things that you can do either each week or each day of things that Jesus told us to do or things that he did. And so, for example, this one says invite someone to your home and referencing Matthew 25:35. And so you can read the scripture and then do the activity, and you can feel it with all types of things that Jesus said or that he told us to do. Make a snack or a meal for someone who is hungry, Matthew 25:35. So you get the point. All right, let's go to the next activity idea. All right, this is a classical game that you can do where you hide the star every day and you can have children try to find the star. And if you want, you could probably make it celebratory once they find the star, but you can hide this around your house, or if you're doing this in church, hide it around the room. And this could be a great little game and a review of how the star is connected to the birth of Jesus. I am so pumped about this book, guys. So you could also do the Christmas Letters from God Bible stories, and each day or each probably need to do it multiple times a week, but the stories are broken up here. You'll see that on the first page: Isaiah's Good News, Mary's Song, Joseph's Dream, and so on. But the cool thing is, with each passage of scripture, you also have a letter from God, and you can write your children or your class name in here, and it's a letter from God that the author wrote that is tied to what Jesus is saying. So, like, this promise is God's perfect promise: I am the light of the world. And then we have here a letter from God. And I am so excited to use this book this year. And so there are letters all throughout the book that goes with the passage of scripture that you can write your child's or your children or your class name on there as you go through the month of December. And again, I will link this one below. All right, guys. So if you've been liking this content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right. So another idea is, we started this in Thanksgiving, and I'm going to continue this, is 25 days of gratitude. So there are definitely more than 25 days in this journal, but I didn't want us to stop. So as you guys know, this is the 5-minute gratitude journal for kids. And it's just thanking God for something every day. And there are over 60 questions in this journal. So for example, what vegetable do you thank God for? Who is someone you thank God for? So continuing even during the December month and even throughout the year of thanking God for something each day. And last but not least, something fun that you can do as a family or as a class, if you're a Sunday school teacher or a Christian teacher or anybody. You can make Christmas treats and cards all December long. So you can make cookies or brownies and cakes and pies, and you maybe each day you can put a different type of treat in here, and then the kids can pull it out, and then that will determine what your treat or the things that you're going to make. And you could also make it for other people. So that's just a great idea of something you can do. So let me know in the comments below, which Christmas countdown idea do you love best? I would love to continue this conversation in the chat. And if you love getting tips and tools, go ahead and join the club for free. The link is in the description box, and I'll talk to you guys again another time. Bye, guys, and Merry Christmas.